A lifted shingle behaves like the loose corner of an envelope. Once wind gets beneath that edge, every gust opens it farther, until the tab creases, tears, or disappears completely. The good news is that a lifted shingle can sometimes be saved, but only before the material itself becomes damaged. Inspect it during dry, mild, calm weather on a safely accessible roof. Press the tab down gently. If it returns to its correct position without cracking and has no crease across its surface, the factory adhesive strip may simply have failed to bond. Lift the edge only enough to look underneath. Clear away loose dirt using a soft brush, then apply several small dabs of compatible roofing cement beneath the tab. Keep the cement back from the exposed edge so it does not squeeze onto the visible surface. Press the shingle flat and follow the adhesive manufacturer's instructions for holding it in place while it bonds. Don't place anything on the roof that could slide, damage the shingle, or become a falling hazard. Now check the shingle beside it. One loose tab may be an isolated failure. Several lifted tabs in the same row can indicate incorrect nail placement, failed adhesive strips, or wind damage across a larger area. Never solve lifting by driving a nail through the exposed face. That may hold the tab down, but it also creates a direct opening for water. Proper fasteners belong beneath the overlapping row. If the tab has a horizontal crease, torn edge, missing corner, or brittle surface, adhesive is no longer enough. That shingle has lost strength and must be replaced. Avoid bending cold shingles or walking on extremely hot ones. Both conditions can cause new damage. Remember the decision. An unbroken tab that still lies flat may be resealed. A creased or cracked tab has already failed and should be replaced before the next storm finishes the job.